Living in this technological driven era, intelligent packaging is a great boon to the food industry. For our project, we fabricated the pH sensitive strips as our intelligent packaging to monitor the real time freshness of the pork sample being stored at room temperature for 3 days. To do our experiment, we firstly fabricated the pH sensitive slips. To fabricate these slips, which were our intelligent packaging, we made the ethanolic solution of four dyes, that is, methyl red, phenol red, bromothymol blue, bromocresol green, and the mixture of all these four dyes. The Whatman paper were being cut into small strips and they were dipped into the ethanolic solution of all these four dyes, and this gave us our intelligent packaging that were the pH sensitive slips. In the next step, these slips were pasted at the top of the glass bottles, and in those bottles, the pork sample was being cut into small pieces. All these bottles were examined at room temperature for 3 days, and it was seen that there was drastic change in color in all these slips over the time period of 3 days at room temperature. We also conducted the microbial analysis of the product, and the microbial analysis result were parallel to that of the change in color in the strips. The change in color in the strips was due to the TVBN, that is the total volatile nitrogen released by the pork sample. For the result of our project, we got pretty positive result, where first of all there was a drastic change in the color of the strips due to the TVBN content being released by the pork sample, which is basic in nature. Secondly, we also did the microbial analysis for the Pseudomonas count, and the microbial analysis result was parallel to that of the color change of the indicator slips for the given time period. Lastly, we examined the effectiveness of all the four dyes, and it was seen that bromocresol green has more effectiveness in change in color in comparison to all the other four dyes. Our project gave great importance to the food industry as firstly, the use of intelligent packaging is empowering customers to differentiate between the fresh and the spoiled food by giving just a glance at the packaging. Secondly, the slips are easy to fabricate as it involves just dipping the Whatman paper in the ethanolic solution of different dyes, which is cost effective. Thirdly, using new and innovative technology will boost brand image. Moreover, this is an easy and improved method of monitoring of the product as it involves just looking at the color of the pH sensitive slips, whereas traditionally it required the microbial analysis needed to be done by the trained employees. And lastly, using new technology will help a company to stay more relevant in the market, and it will give them an upper hand in terms of competition with the other companies.